So, hi guys. Ayan na nga. Ito na yung part, 11. So, ayan na nga. Nagbabasa na siya. So, upo ka lang dyan.
The bunny was very cute and the tiara
Guys, mamaya.
the sparkly.
Wait, ano ka muna? Wait. Huwag ka muna magsalita. Guys, huwag ka muna magsalita. So, guys, dapat tatanungin ko siya dahil siya nga yung nagbasa. Tatanungin ko siya ng mga tanong kung ano bang nangyari. No? So, adi na. Basa na.
The bunny was very cute and the tiara
Very beautiful. Oh, sorry.
was sparkly. But Sunbeam didn't think they were special enough for Daisy.
Ano na?
The next day was Daisy's birthday. Sunbeam was feeling sad. Whatever
Bakit ako mali sa kanila?
matter?
Nandito na siya, guys. Malapit na the end.
Asked Daisy, I couldn't find you a special gift, replied Sunbeam. Daisy giggled, but Sunbeam, she said, being your friend is the most special gift of all.
The end.
The end. Okay, Princess Lily, Sparkle, the unicorn, Princess Megan, Sunbeam, the unicorn.
Okay na.
That's fine. Bye, guys.
Uy, wala pa. May
I'm
sasabihin.
sorry.
So, guys, meron lang. Ito lang, secret lang natin to.
Sa amin, guys, may secret para sa inyo.
Ito, guys, may ipaprank kami. Huwag ka maingay. Dito. Dito! Uy, dito!
Gawin natin.
So, guys, magpaprank kami ng mga tao. Kukulatin namin dito. So, dahil wala nga kami magawa dito. So, comment for part 12 na. Ay, magpapart 12 na lang. See you for part 12.